This is actually cute. It ain't as cheap looking as I thought it was gonna be. I might be able to wear it. We'll see. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for coming back. I'm Valitra and this is Valardistry TV. Jumping right in, guys, we have yet another wig install review type video. So let's get right to it. Back on Amazon as I always am, and you guys know that I love me some Amazon. So we have another wig from Amazon, and this comes from the company Leeven. It came in a little Amazon pack. It came in this bag here, and we're just gonna pull it out. Came with the stocking cap already inside, so you don't have to worry about needing a stocking cap. So here is the wig packaged securely in the plastic bag as they normally come, and we pull that out, and it's also in a hairnet. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off and show you guys the actual wig construction. So here's the wig fresh out, and it's burgundy. The color is actually 1B burgundy because the roots are dark and it fades into the burgundy. And this is a 14-inch wig. It's very lightweight. Just like touching it already, it's really lightweight, like really lightweight. Up here in the front there's lace. This is a middle part, and there are 2 combs up here, 2 combs, and there's also adjustable straps in the back, one here, and a little comb down in the bottom. I'm gonna put this on the last little loop in the back, the furthest one from the comb, on both sides, because I don't know if this is a big head friendly wig, but we gonna see. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my trusty wig grip. So putting on the wig grip, I'm not gonna worry about my edges today because this is a middle part wig, which none of my side edges will show. And right off, it's feeling a little tight already. I'm gonna take my blow dryer, I'm gonna put it on high, and I'm gonna blow this hair out straight. Okay, so now that that's done, you guys can see the shape of the bob. It's a really cute blunt bob. There is no curl, but you can absolutely add curl or bend if you want, if you decide that's what you want. But we still have to do a little bit to this part because, as you can see, you can't see it and it looks really wiggy. Metal piece. It really, to me, doesn't make sense to tweeze synthetic wigs. They really just get holes in them and get nasty looking, so I don't bother tweezing them anymore. So now I'm going to take my Freeze Blast spray and I'm going right over that part, right over what I just did. Then I'm going to take my blow dryer again and I'm going to blow that part and dry it. I'm not going to let it dry completely because I do want it to dry on my head so that I can lay the hairs the way I want them to be. So it's kind of a little bit dry, but a little bit still kind of damp. So now I'm going to put the wig back on my head. Alright, so now that I have the wig back on, I see that I do need to add right here. I need to add more makeup. And I just drag it back. I'm going to take my little toothbrush and lay the hairs exactly where they should be. So looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. So I think this wig is cute. I think it's wearable. It's comfortable. It's not too tight. I love the length of it. I'm gonna move my shirt so you can see how long it is. I think it's cute because either you could wear it blunt or you can bend this. Of course, it is synthetic hair, so don't get crazy and put the, you know, flat iron on the same temperature that you would use for human hair. But you can bend this hair. You can curl this hair. I see you being able to, you know, flip it if you want it like a curled bob. Like, I don't know. I like the length of it. I like the length of it. It's cute. It's really, really doable. I think the color blend is really, really nice. It's not too burgundy. It doesn't look ratchet. It still looks nice. And so yeah, I give this little wig, and it was, the thing is, it was only $16.68 on Amazon. So I will leave this link down below. This wig came in 2 days. It is good with Amazon Prime. If you're a Prime member, you can get the free shipping and the free 2-day shipping at that. So that is always a plus, and that is always why I always order from Amazon. Whenever I need anything, I already know 2 days I got whatever it is I ordered. So yeah, if y'all have any more questions about the wig, about how it fits, about the color, about where I got it from, leave me a comment down below, or just check the description bar down below. I'm going to leave all the information for this wig down below if you like this one. I think it's pretty cute. I actually might wear this week and just see how it works out. I think it's good because it's bobbling, so it won't tangle too bad. It's cut nicely. I can bend it under. I can, you know, pull it back. I can tuck it behind the ear and do like a little office bob look. That's what I call an office bob. I don't know what y'all call office bob, but I don't know. I think it's a cute wig. I'm liking it. Let me know what you think. If you guys like it, leave me a comment down below. Leave me a thumbs up. Leave me some type of feedback, you guys, okay? So thank you all for watching once again, and as always, I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.